Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven. So this is a really nice product, very easy to use. It's got a very nice control panel. You're going to plug it in, you're going to turn it on. This is a selector wheel. So the screen is very easy to read, and it's got a little light here to show you what you're going to be doing. So say you're going to go to bake, then you got to press the time button or the temperature to change. So say we want to do bake, but we want to change the temperature, then you're going to use this. You can go up to 450, all the way down to 250, and then you can change the time in minutes. And then say we want to do something else, turn it on and off. Let's go to bake, dehydrate, keep warm. Now toast is real interesting. So to change the darkness, you're going to press this button again, and you can go to all these different darknesses, and then you're going to tell it how many slices of toast you have in there. So this is a toaster also.
Hey, my name is Steve, and I'm going to show you how to turn a rather dull snack into something that tastes awesome using the Ultrean air fryer. Now, I do like Cheez-Its. That's why I bought some. However, they can sometimes be a little boring, and it's time to jazz it up. I'm going to put about a half a box of these Cheez-Its into the air fryer tray. Step 2, I'm going to coat them down with a little bit of olive oil spray. Give it a coat, shake it up, give it a little bit more, shake it up, give it a little bit more. Okay, now it's ready for the amazing ingredient I'm going to use, and I am going to use some Parmesan ranch seasoning. Blackstone makes this Parmesan ranch, and it is really, really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to coat these down a little bit, just a light coating, and you can do it according to how.
This is the 4-quart Ninja air fryer. Comes with 2 instruction manuals. One is details on how to use it and warnings, things like that. And this is a quick start guide that gives you cooking times for all sorts of foods. There's also a sticker on the side here that shows most common foods. And right now we're going to throw in some French fries. Then after the French fries are done, I'll go into more details about all the features and functions that come with this unit. So we preheated it for 3 minutes, which is recommended. Now it's nice and warm. Now we can open this area here and pour in our French fries. You don't want to fill it all the way. You want to have some space on the top. This is probably the maximum that I'd fill it, and you can hear the warmth from the preheating. I slide it back in there.